MVDream is a multi-view diffusion model that is able to generate geometrically consistent multi-view images from a given text prompt. By leveraging image diffusion models pre-trained on large-scale web datasets and a multi-view datasets rendered from 3D assets, the resulting multi-view diffusion model can achieve both the generalizability of 2D diffusion and the consistency of 3D data. The problem which this project is trying to solve is that lifting 2D priors distilled in the diffusion models to generate 3D asset has become quite popular, but only utilizing a 2D diffusion prior is insufficient to generate a fully geometrically consistent object. That is where this model is very helpful. By leveraging this MV-Dream diffusion prior, one can apply techniques such as core distillation sampling or SDS from Dream Fusion to generate high quality 3D assets easily bypassing the widely known issues such as Janus problem and the content difference problem. And you can find more detail in their GitHub repo, which is here, and this is still a placeholder for the code which will be coming very soon. Now, if you look at this page, they have given us the paper, which I will show you shortly. This is the paper where you can read the abstract, plus you can read the full paper in the PDF format. And if you look at this page, they have given us a lot of examples where you can see the samples, where a lot of things are being compared, such as this one, a boy in the mohawk hairstyle had only 4K HD raw. Sorry. So what is happening here is that the 2D self-attention layers are transformed into 3D to account for multiple views. Camera embeddings are distilled to the network as the extrinsic camera metrics through an MLP layer. Four equally angular views are sampled at the same elevation angle between 0 to 30 degrees, which are used for the training. And there are a lot of examples which you can check, and this is the citation. Plus, they have also shared all the testing results on this page in a lot of formats, as you can see here. And I will drop the link to these pages in video's description, so you can go and read through. I believe this this is going to be a new standard when it comes to the diffusion for 3D generation. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comment, please share it. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.